Hey guys, so today we're gonna be making mac and cheese. I got the noodles, he got the cheese.
What are you doing in my house?
Yeah, we needed a house to make our mac and cheese in, and we just used the nearest house. Sorry about that.
But I need to study for my chemistry exam.
We can do both.
Yeah!
First, we need to boil the water.
As the water heats up, the molecules move faster and faster and further apart, causing bubbles. Some of the water evaporates, changing from a liquid into a gas.
Then we pour the noodles.
Keep pouring them.
Stir for 7 to 8 minutes.
You know, this is an example of a hydration reaction. A hydration reaction is a chemical reaction in which water is added to an unsaturated substance.
Nice.
The water's been absorbed by the pasta. Now we have to strain it.
Give me that noodles, man. Oh, it's hot! Oh god. There's still more noodles.
Now we have to put the pasta back into the pot so we can add the butter. Do you have the butter?
The what?
The butter?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Spill it. Nice.
Yeah, I got it. So now we add 4 tablespoons of butter. Some slippery butter. Oh my god. Okay.
Just gonna stir it on in there.
And stir the butter in. Oh.
This is an endothermic reaction because the heat from the pasta is melting the butter.
Great. So after we stir the noodles with the butter we added earlier, we add 1/2 cup of milk.
And we stir again.
And we stir again.
Before we begin, we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Alright, let's do this thing. Oh. Wait, who's that guy?
Didn't you bring him?
Doesn't he live here?
No. So what's up next?
Well, we're gonna have to bake the mac and cheese noodles. Anyways, first we pour the noodles into this rectangular shaped thing. Here you go.
Okay.
Okay, hold the other side as well. Oh man, would you look at that butter? Disgusting.
And then we add the cheese.
Yeah, and then we add the cheese.
This is 2 cups of cheese.
We're gonna need more cheese. Then we add some more cheese. This is another 6 cups of cheese.
Sort of cheese.
So then we mix it in, and the heat from the pasta is gonna melt the cheese. This is an example of an endothermic reaction. Now we have to put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes.
Alright, welcome back guys. So as you can hear the sound of the ticking time bomb, that means the mac and cheese is done. Let me just take it out of the oven. Oh my god,
It's beautiful!
it is burning. Ah! Ah!
Alright, it's done! Let's dig in!
But first, let's talk about the chemistry aspect. What? I have to study.
Mmm.
Guys, in the textbook it says that this was an endothermic reaction because the heat from the oven went into the cheese and the noodles, making it melt and changing the physical state of the cheese. Also, the noodles went through a chemical change because the color of it changed and turned golden brown. Isn't that cool?
Oh my.
Mmm. That's pretty good. Dude, you know what we should do?
What?
This is pretty good. We should see if we can mass produce this for everyone, for all the students at MCPS.
That's a great idea. Let's use stoichiometry to figure it out.
Alright, it's recording. We just do it and stuff.
She probably doesn't even know. Like, she wouldn't realize.
Byron, your face is so serious. Oh my god.
This side has way more cheese. Got it.
Wait. Is it recording?
Yeah. Alright, up.
So now, oh wait, am I saying this to
So
you?
say-
To the
say
camera?
that-
I can't move.
Be like before we begin.
I can't
Be
move.
like before. Okay, so we need. We're just gonna put all this.
Is there
Stop it!
Byron!
Stop!